All right, everyone, it's time to draw some names and give away our 2 Abom79 drill indexes.
Yay.
To kind of recap, we have the serial number 11 that's got the series 2001 drills in there. And this is serial number 79, and it has the style 157 drills in there. All right, so Abby is ready to announce who the winner is. I am going to be using Google's random number generator here on my phone. I've got 1 and 1 in there now. Abby's going to tell me how many entries we have. I'll put that in there, and then we will draw a name. So how many people signed up for it?
All right, so we had 3,252 people sign up.
Wow.
Yeah.
3,252.
Yeah, let's get some people a drill index.
3,252. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in the max here as
3252. I'm excited.
3252 in there. All right, you ready to go?
This is for number 11.
All right, we are going to hit generate, and it is number 928.
Ooh, let me scroll.
All right, who is number 928? And maybe we should add that all of the entries are in order in which they signed up for the giveaway.
Okay, so 928 is, and I apologize if I butcher anyone's name, Jeff Mingle from Pennsylvania.
Awesome, Jeff
Yay!
Mingle.
Congratulations, Jeff.
Congratulations. You are the winner of the Abom drill index with serial number 11 with the 2001 jobber drills in there. So we will definitely send Jeff an email and let him know that he has won and get this out to him. So congratulations, Jeff.
Yes, congratulations.
All right, so we are going to just do this one more time. All right, we've already got the numbers in there, so we're just gonna hit generate again.
And this is for number 79.
Serial number 79.
Yay.
All right, here we go. Generate. It is number 2,208. All right.
I gotta scroll.
You gotta scroll down. It's got a huge list in here.
All right, what is it again?
2,208.
22. All right, it is Matt Mayer from Illinois.
Awesome.
Yay!
Matt Mayer from Illinois. Congratulations. You're the winner of serial number 79 for our drill bit index right there.
So we will send out emails today and get everyone's mailing address. Thank you for everyone that entered. Thanks to everyone that participated. This is something that's been really excited for us to do, and we would like to do this again. So we will have more giveaways in the future, probably some that have the anodized color on there, but we definitely wanted to start with the first batch right here and get these out. Yay!
So congratulations, everyone. We have Matt Mayer.
Yep, and and Jeff Mingle.
All right. Matt and Jeff, congratulations on winning the drill index giveaways. We hope you guys love them, and we'll get them out in the mail to you very soon.
Yes.
All right. So thanks everybody for participating, and we'll see you again very soon.